This right here is a feel-good song. Everybody smile. It's good to be here. Brought a couple friends along with me for this one. 1, 2, let's go. Take my riches, take my fame, take the microphone, take the stage, take my glory, take my name, take it away. Suffer now, later will reign, and that applies to the saint that went against the grain. Life is hard, but amidst the pain, you know the saints fight hard, we anticipate that great day when God applauds. There'll be no remorse and no shame. Everything you thought you lost, you regain, and you get rewards because you behaved. Let me make it plain, all of the faithful saints to get paid, to prove your commitment to God is not vain, and we'll get into the joy of our King. Smile, smile.
That's where it happened to me. You say I'll get my reward. I know I kept the faith, and now I see the Christ my King. And He is my reward.
No, this ain't home. Keep your platinum, keep your gold, keep your black card and your Patron. None of that matters when I'm gone.